Flood insurance has also been a hot topic as of late, but for many people, it's a lesson in too little, too late. And tonight, Jason Geary, a financial services agent with the Farm Bureau, joins us to navigate this subject that unfortunately so many people in our hometowns are trying to figure out. So, Jason, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
First of all, there's kind of a magic date that's been put out there. Last time we talked earlier, last week during this situation, we talked about how this is so time sensitive. And now with this new kind of magic date out there, that's even more so true. Talk to us about that date.
Well, we've been waiting for this date for some time, and the date we were talking about is June 1st, in which FEMA has issued a memo that states that the flooding began in effect on June 1st. That becomes a magic date, meaning that anybody who purchased and had an in-force policy prior to June 1st, May 31st and behind, are likely to get paid out claims without any risk whatsoever. Everybody from June 1st going forward, there's a question mark as to whether claims will be paid or not.
And that question mark, that's kind of the looming question. Everybody wants to know, if you didn't hit that deadline, are you totally out of luck, or are they going to take some kind of case-by-case instances?
You're not totally out of luck. It's not time to throw the policy in the garbage and to walk away. General principle of insurance, when you feel like you've taken a loss, you have the right to go back to the company that holds your policy and request a claim be filed and have an adjuster come out and look at your situation. And I've heard it from every insurance expert, insurance companies and adjusters, that it's going to be a case-by-case basis. When you file that claim, if you have flood damage, they're going to come out, they're going to take a look at your specific situation. This June 1st may be a factor they consider, but they're going to consider other factors as well, and that's going to be what they're going to weigh as to whether or not they're going to pay claims out or not. So it's not over, but it's also not good. So
okay, so at least we know now.
Yes, we know.
At this point, do you have any tricks of the trade? I mean, everybody's kind of looking for that magic bullet that gives people some hope, because that's kind of what they're looking for right now.
And we as agents would love to give them that hope, but we have to deal in the world of facts. And the facts are right now is that if you have questions about your insurance policy, or whether you need to, whether you haven't purchased flood insurance and you're still considering it, talk to your agent. Go over that specific situation with your agent to get the best advice for you. And, you know, be ready. Keep your documents in order. And as we get more clarification and there's more certainty, we'll be happy to share it with our clientele, I'm sure.
And there's a lot of players in this. There's homeowners, there's insurance companies, there's going to be government agencies. Yeah. There's going to be a lot of different places to get resources when that time eventually comes.
Yes, there is. There's going to be lots of places that people can go, but I encourage them to go back to that agent for the expert advice on their insurance products.
All right. Thank you again for being with us, Jason.
Thanks for having me.
And if you would like some more information, you can get answers online at floodsmart.gov.